Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the Photos app to display the original photo aspect on the iPhone 13 series. Now, by default, your Photos app display photos in a square format. So we're going to take a look how you can change that. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Photos. In Photos, you want to tap on Library, and then at the top here, tap on the three dots or the More button. Then tap on Export, and this will allow your gallery to change to the original aspect of the photos. So you can see here the photo is either in horizontal format or in vertical format. And if you want to go back to the square format, you can tap on the More button or the Option button and then choose Square. And that's it. So that's how you can set your photos gallery to display photos in square format or in the original aspect format. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.